Ki dakhot jong keseng samla mulai pelun ha kesengi baar jong kan rutrek unai tung kilale ikendu ya umentri katrat penroisor uba sengyo balangdar ban pensengo hu halor kejing ke bakia kendu jong kejing don ke biomedical waste treatment bat kejing bret nyut ha marten kabadon ha mulai nungkwar habakran bakilap thai khubor u general secretary keseng samla mulai pelun usamran seim ulong ba kani kejing wan ya kendu kejong ki ya umentri kalong ban pensengo hu halor kejing baki no mulai kia kendu na ka jingbun ki bawan bret nyut ha marten bat ulapan paru bakane ka pen khusla ki namar bakala bang kata ya ka khia jong kitu ki basa marjan bat marten.
The meeting today from Samsama Maiklun with the Honorable Minister in charge of the Area Urban Development Authority, Shri Sobharam Dhar, is regarding the issue of Marten of solid waste management facility and also the common biomedical waste management, which is located at Maulai Nongkwat. The meeting held today, we from the Samsama Maiklun, we had briefed the Honorable Minister regarding the problem faced by the residents of Maulai with the solid waste management of Marten and also the biomedical waste which is adjacent to Maulai Marten at Maulai Nongkwar. The main problem we face from the solid waste management is regarding the last week news, as you have seen that the garbage truck of a municipal board from belonging to Joy Municipal Board had to come to East Khasi Hill District and dump their garbage at Maulai Marten, which is a very unpleasant event, which causes frustration to the people of Maulai and also many unanswered questions which are left. This is because of the mismanagement of the government. On the other hand, regarding the biomedical waste treatment facility, which is adjacent to the solid waste management at Maulai Nongkwar, regarding this, we have made a field inspection last week on the 30th of June 2021, and we have seen so many failures of this waste management plan, and also that on 2019 the National Green Tribunal NGT has imposed a fine to the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board an amount of 860,000 rupees because the Pollution Control Board of the state has failed to fulfill even a single criteria at that point of time. Now, even after the NGT has imposed a hefty amount to the State Pollution Control Board, still that plan is operating and functioning, and without any improvement and still failing at all aspects of the criteria which is laid down by the Biomedical Waste Act 2016. So, biomedical waste treatment plant at Maulai Nongkwar is a very threatening place there for our residents, because the way that the waste is being treated there is not according to the Biomedical Waste Act 2016, and the smoke which occurs, which comes from the biomedical waste treatment plant is 10 times more dangerous than the smoke which comes from the factory and even from the Marten. So this is a very saddening state of affair, and especially a great threat to the people of Maulai. And after discussing and had a meeting with the Honorable Minister, he had promised us to come for inspection to the site at Maulai Nongkwar for both the biomedical waste plant and the solid waste management plant at Maulai Nongkwar. And we hope with his inspection, he will see with his own eyes what are the failures that the State Pollution Control Board and the Shillong Municipal Board are doing. And this has imposed a great threat to the people of Maulai. And we hope that on the day of his inspection, he will give the solution, and we hope that this solution will bring a happy smile, happy faces to the people of Maulai. See, all of this occurs because of one thing. It's only because of mismanagement of the government. We see time and again, like the reports given by different surveyors, given by central government reports that the government is underperforming in almost every aspect, from education, health, human development index, everything is feeling as an underperforming. So we request the government to kindly look at this matter carefully, so that it won't fail again and again. We have we have been imposed a fine by the NGT, and many times NGT has come to our state to impose a fine, not for a good cause, but always for a bad cause. So this is, it's for us as citizens of the state, it's quite embarrassing. It's a disgrace event for us. So we request the government to kindly take this matter seriously, so that it won't pressurize the people of Molai to come out and start agitating and to start protesting against the government regarding this Morton and biomedical waste management plan at Molai.
Nakaliang umentri ka kamponisor uba singyo balang dahar ulong ba kasokal jela kan sasim khia halor kini kaman bat kin sale jungo ru ya kamarten hagini kisngi banwan.
The Molai Institute for Skill, and along with that members, they made me. They used to make me from time to time about the small town Molai, and they request me, number one, what can we do to find the new landfill at the earliest, if possible, from the government side. So in regard to that, I only give them the reply. I told them yes, now the government is under process of identifying the new landfill. And yes, there was around 4, 5, 6 applications submitted, with the advertisement right from the previous minister. And we are full swing on that job for the identification of the new landfill. That is number one, I informed them. And number two, they want to come along with for the joint inspection with my officer. That is something they want to discuss in the presence, myself and my officer. I want to request some of it seems that some part of the new machineries are there, not up to the mark as per they informed me. So in the letter this I already informed them, I already promised them also. Maybe next week sometime within 15 days I'll go for inspection, I'll inform them. That is